Really, 2023 was quite the year for autonomy from a regulatory perspective. You started to see the FAA approve things like Amazon's drone joint venture. So, from a regulation perspective, we're kind of all clear to see more, uh, autonomous systems in our daily lives. So, autonomous delivery. We had some bumps in the road with self-driving vehicles. Obviously, in 2023, we had some issues where they were taken off the roads in some cities indefinitely. Those are just technical and regulatory bumps in the road. But in 2024, we are definitely going to see and interact with autonomous systems more and more. And it won't just be the Jetsons type of stuff that we all expect to see, right? Drones, flying cars, self-driving vehicles, and all that. It's also going to be autonomy in factory floor systems, in retail, in fast food. And so our daily lives in 2024 will start to see us interacting with the robots in a way that we haven't in the past.